So when I first saw this board, I was like, wow, this really has everything in it that is about sustainability, that is sustainable, that can be sustainable. One of the aspects of the project that evoked my interest was the photovoltaics array that is on the roof, and the fact that it becomes part of the research that they're doing in the building, and the inhabitants or those that are at the school can go out there and utilize it, or maybe even move them in order to see how those changes could occur and how it affects the building inside.
And I was sort of, to build on that, really struck by the systems approach that the board illustrates, and certainly that was important to the design team. You know, as architects, I think it's easy to think of sustainability through an architectural design lens, but this is such a great example of how powerful the mechanical system and electrical system can be in delivering the performance that we're all after. And so how do you really celebrate that and connect that to the people that occupy this building every day? And the energy of this board really seems to speak to that as a central focus. So I thought that was fantastic.
And then the fact that they were able to layer good design as part of it. Those finials are surrounding certain portions of the building, and you could tell that each facade is really designed to think about its orientation and how that facade may change based on the orientation. So some are more opaque than others, some are less opaque, and allowing that shading system to be a part of it.
Yeah, I think you can tell that the building is very well calibrated to its place, to its climate, and so there is sort of an architectural overlay of, it's a research lab. We know the systems are going to be immensely important and major loads on the mechanical system, but how can the architecture really support and build efficiency into those systems as well?
And reflect sustainable design.
Yeah, fantastic project.